A Freecash offer usually starts tracking when the tracking link is opened correctly before you install or use the advertised app or service. By the end of this, you'll know why offers fail to track, how to improve your chances of getting credit, and what to do if a completed offer never appears in your account. If an offer isn't tracking, stop progressing through additional milestones until you confirm whether it's being recorded. Completing every requirement without tracking can make it harder to prove where the problem started. Start by checking the offer status in your Freecash account. Some offers display tracking information separately from completed rewards. If the offer has already started tracking, you may only need to wait for the next milestone or final verification. If nothing appears, think about how you launched the offer. Always open the offer directly from Freecash and follow the provided tracking link. Opening the App Store first, using another referral link, or searching for the app manually can sometimes break the tracking process. Another common issue is using an app that was already installed. Many offers require a first-time installation or a completely new account. If you've installed the app before or previously completed the same promotion elsewhere, the advertiser may not recognize you as a new user. Your device settings also matter. If tracking permissions are available on your phone, make sure they were enabled before starting the offer. Blocking tracking requests or using aggressive privacy tools can interfere with offer attribution. Using a VPN or switching devices while completing an offer can also create tracking problems. The safest approach is starting and finishing the offer on the same device and network whenever possible. If the offer still doesn't track, gather evidence before contacting support. Take screenshots of the offer page, your progress inside the advertised app, confirmation emails if applicable, and any completion screens. Also record the date you started the offer and the steps you completed. The more documentation you provide, the easier it is for support to review your case. Avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the advertised app unless the offer specifically instructs you to do so. Reinstalling rarely fixes missing tracking and may create additional verification issues. For future offers, read every requirement before you begin. Knowing the installation, account, and completion rules ahead of time gives you the best chance of receiving credit without needing support. To sum it up, launch offers directly through Freecash, use a new installation when required, keep tracking enabled, and save screenshots throughout the process. Next, make it a habit to verify that an offer has started tracking before investing significant time completing every milestone. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering withdrawals, account recovery, and earning strategies.